Here, I'm at the warehouse. This is the assembly area for the delivery systems. This is the area where the delivery systems get assembled. Right here in this area is the second area for quality control. This is where the unit head gets tested. This area right here is where the delivery system heads get mounted onto the arms and also tested. Up top, we have the count for the day of how many delivery systems were produced. I'm now in the quality control testing area for the hydraulic cylinders. Each cylinder is tested for 15 minutes with a load of 660 pounds applied. Here we're in the warehouse. We're in the PMU box assembly area plus QC area. So product gets assembled on the assembly line this way. We have 3 different quality control stations for the PMU box. Final assembly gets done in this area right here. Right now we're in the regulator valve assembly and testing area. This is the area where the air regulator gets set to 80 psi and water regulator is set to 40 psi. Right now, we're in the warehouse. We're in the dental chair assembly area. So this is the first beginning section where the dental chair starts getting assembled. There's an assembly line as the chairs are getting assembled. There's a quality control inspector in the area the whole time that the chairs are being assembled. They have the QC patch on their arms. So each phase, each step that the chair is being assembled, quality control is over here doing their quality control inspection. This is our dental chair load testing area. Each dental chair, the backrest, is tested at a load with 200 pounds. The seat area is tested with a load of 600 pounds. After it finishes the load testing area, it comes over to the final operational test area. So each chair has its final operational test. After it passes the operational test area, it goes to the final packaging area. We are now in the ADS upholstery area. This is where ADS perform all their seamless and seams upholstery. So you can see we have workers on the sewing machines pretty much doing all the product right now. This is our dental stool and dental chair upholstery assembly area. This is where the ultra fiber leather and nappa leather gets assembled. Over here in this area, this is our quality. The upholstery is placed in this area for final quality control check before it's placed into a box.